We are back, grade 12s and teachers in physical sciences. This is elimination. Elimination also, we have got 3 examinable reactions. Take note of this one. Say in elimination we are talking about when you move from single bonds to double bonds. So the product will always have double bond. The byproducts, not a problem, but one of the products must have double bonds. Now, the first known simple elimination reaction is cracking. Cracking. You must know the definition of cracking, because we say this one is the breaking down of long. We break down. The breaking down of long chain hydrocarbons. Very important, all these keywords must be there, into a short useful molecules. Fine. Then in cracking we have got 2 types of cracking. There's what you call thermal cracking and catalytic cracking. The one is using catalyst, another one is using heat. We'll deal with the heat one. Fine. Let's also go to the same one, very important, C3. Again, alkanes can undergo cracking, which is elimination reaction. Propane can also undergo cracking. That will produce, that we need like high temperature and high pressure. Then will produce, there will be 2 possible products, 2 possible reactions. The first reaction will produce methane plus ethene. In cracking you just use maths. And then if this one is C3H8, this is CH4, this is C2H4. So you must have balanced atoms there. Or propane can produce also the other 2 products, that is propene. Propene can be produced. Propene plus hydrogen. So propane can also break down to form these 2, which is propene and hydrogen. Propene is C3H6 and then plus H2. So they all give you back C3H8. That's about first cracking. The second one, elimination reaction, very important, will be dehydration. Let's take again C3. If we have got C3, let's make C4 in this case, so that we can address one important aspect of this reaction in the main. Then this is butane 2-ol. If we take butane 2-ol, we now undergo elimination. Then this one will form, in this case because we are eliminating, there is a removal of water. We'll need concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Therefore this is going to happen. Remember, we have got the 2 possible products. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, this one, and then plus water. Sorry for the camera. And then this is the cracking. This is what we call a but1ene. This one, the second product, then is called but2ene. Now, which one is a major, which one is a minor? Because in this case, you must know which one is major, which one is minor. According to the rule, we say if we are to remove water from this butane-2-ol, which hydrogen between the two will suffer? That one. According to the rule is that the hydrogen that is from the less bonded carbon will be removed to form water. Therefore, water will be formed from this OH and this one. Therefore, the major product will be following this one, meaning that the but2ene will be major product, whereas but1ene will be minor product. That is what you should understand. Therefore, if they are saying give us the product, then this will be the best one to give. I think we understand that one, the issue of minor and the major. Also the other reaction whereby we are eliminating is when now, also very important with reaction condition, now we are eliminating from again butane 2-bromobutane. It's fine. 2-bromobutane. Same. By when a haloalkane is now, in this case, this is the third reaction. Remember, this one is called dehydration. Dehydration. We are removing water, and then this one is dehydrohalogenation. That is the last elimination reaction in this case. Now, very important in this case, we need a concentrated strong base. Remember, in the substitution we needed dilute. Now in this case we need concentrated strong base, meaning that the moment you have got an haloalkane can undergo two reactions. If it reacts with dilute, it will be substitution. If it reacts with concentrated, it will be elimination. Therefore, in elimination, you will see now will form again this 1, 2, 3. Remember, the but2ene is the major product. In this case, this will be the case, and then will form but2ene, and then plus sodium bromide plus water again. Very important, they can ask you about these two inorganic products. So this will be your but2ene, and then this is the three products. One thing that you should know again in elimination, fine. We said substitution is from, if we have got two reactants, we'll produce two products. In elimination, now you can see that first I was having only propane. From one reactant, I produced two in this case. Now the other two elimination reaction, which is dehydration and dehydrohalogenation, I'm moving from, in this case, this one was one reactant, I produced two products. Two reactants, I produced three products. Can you see now? In elimination, then now the number of reactants is less than the number of products. If I've got one reactant, I will produce two products. If I've got two reactants, I will produce three products. That's something that you should take home and know that all the time. If they can ask you, whenever you are dealing with elimination, then the number of products must be more than the reactants. So if you've got two products and two reactants, know that that is not elimination. You made a mistake somewhere, correct yourself. I think that is much clearer with elimination. There are only three products, three reactants, so three reactions, that is cracking, where now we are cracking like the long carbon chain, in this case hydrocarbons chain into smaller useful ones. They are shorter useful ones. Fine. Smaller useful molecules. So that's elimination for us. We'll move to the next one, which is our last, which is addition reaction. Elimination 3 reactions, substitution 3 reactions. I hope you take note of that. Thank you.